Have you ever wished you could edit a professional quality video right from your iPhone without touching a computer? Well, that's no longer just a dream, because Adobe has officially brought Premiere to iPhone. And it's a pretty big deal for years. Premiere has been the go-to tool for creators, YouTubers, and filmmakers on desktops. It's powerful, feature-packed, and trusted by professionals worldwide. But here's the catch: it always felt tied to a desk. If you wanted to edit on the go, you either had to compromise with lighter apps or wait until you got back to your computer. Now, that barrier is gone. Adobe has redesigned Premiere specifically for mobile-first use, and the result is impressive. You can trim, layer, and fine-tune your edits with frame-by-frame precision directly on your iPhone. And this isn't some watered-down version. It supports 4K HDR, gives you unlimited tracks to work with, and even includes automatic captions. If you've ever struggled with subtitles, you'll appreciate that you can add stylized captions in just a few taps, but the smart part is how it connects to the world we live in today. Imagine you're editing a TikTok, a YouTube short, or even a reel for Instagram. With this app, you can start a project on your phone and export it directly to those platforms. Or if you prefer, you can take your mobile edit and send it to the desktop version of Premiere Pro to finish things up. That kind of flexibility has been missing from mobile editing for way too long. There's also a feature that a lot of creators are going to love: automatic resizing. Basically, you make one video, and the app adapts it to multiple platforms, keeping the subject centered without you manually cropping and adjusting everything. If you've ever tried repurposing a horizontal video into vertical for shorts, you know how painful that can be. This takes away the headache. Now here's where Adobe goes a step further. Premiere on iPhone integrates with Adobe Firefly, which means you can generate stickers, images, and other video assets right inside the app. And because Firefly uses licensed models, you don't have to worry about messy copyright issues. Of course, not everything is free. Well, the app itself is free to download with no ads, which is honestly refreshing in today's app world. Some of the premium extras are locked behind a subscription. Features like extra storage and AI-powered highlights will cost you, but the fact that you can use the core editing tools without paying a cent is still a huge win, and it doesn't stop at the iPhone. Premiere is also available on iPad if you want a bigger canvas. Plus, if you're an early adopter of Apple's Vision Pro headset, you can actually use it there too. All you need is iOS 17, iPadOS 17, or VisionOS to get started. Now, some people will argue that editing a big, heavy project on a tiny screen isn't ideal. And sure, if you're editing a feature-length film, you'll probably still prefer a desktop.